Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce you to sets in math. Now, what exactly are sets? Well, sets are simply a collection of numbers or objects. Typically, when we look at number sets, we write them like this, where this is set A. We can also show them using Venn diagrams, like this over here, where this is also set A. Got it? Now, sets are important for a number of things, from data notation to probability, and even in programming. Therefore, it's important to know a few terms related to sets and how they're represented. Firstly, each object or number part of a set is called an element or member of the set. It is shown like this. Let's say we have set A with the element X. This would be represented as this, where X is an element of set A. If we draw a line through here, this represents the idea that X is not an element of set A. On a Venn diagram, X would be an element of set A drawn like this, and X would not be an element of set A drawn like this. Moving on, what if we want to know the number of elements in a set? How do we write that? Well, the notation for that is NA. So if we had a set A with the elements X, Y, and Z, NA would equal 3 because this set A has 3 elements. On a Venn diagram for set A, where you have X, Y, Z again, the elements would similarly be 3 because even though it's a different representation, they both have 3 elements inside the set, which is set A. Now, this brings us to the null or empty set. The null or empty set, just like it sounds, has no elements. This means that if set A was a null set, NA would equal 0. Null sets are also typically written as a 0 with a cross going through it, or just as an empty set, like the name implies. Overall, this is pretty much all the basic terminology associated with sets. In the next video, I will introduce you to the types of sets and how their interactions can also be represented with notation. Thanks for watching.